Hi everybody, we are at Mount Dora at the Farmers Market. They have this on a Sunday, and I'll tell you what, it's so hard to find a place to park, but we made it. Waiting for some friends to show up. All right, here we begin. Which way did you want to walk? This way?
Oh, I'm gonna get my sausage. I've never seen this place.
Here's the Baggerly.
What makes them New York bagels?
I'm going to walk around this circle here.
Yeah, that's cheese curd station.
I want to see the cheese curds too. I saw
Chili lime is amazing.
Seasonings, knife sharpening, dressings and dips.
Oh yeah, we use it all the time. I'm not a big spicy guy.
Blue cheese dressing, smoked bacon. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, it smells amazing here. Freeze dried, knife sharpening. Chocolates. Oh, all the dips. Yummy.
I was saying, does they say that 9 sweet and quarter sweet that in here?
Homemade peanut butter.
I love it.
Hey, buddy.
Ist das so ein Flohmarkt?
This is a good example because it's coming to this one.
Fudge. Ooh, look at this. This looks yummy. It says it's not soap.
There's no fees for cash.
If you come here, you can bring your dogs, which is nice. Okay.
I don't know if it's the same guy.
I was gonna say,
It's confusing, but I'm not that.
Seasonings, yummy.
Sting your cat with a smile. Oh, I love that. That's great. How good. And we have.
So what we do is we prepare things for you to go home and you bring your meals home.
Pierogies. The purple potato. Cheese curds.
Excuse us. I know, I want to walk back through.
European breads.
Oh my god, fantastic.
Delicious patties, lobster, salmon, coconut shrimp. Okay, that's one section. Then they have on each side of the street. Let's see what we can find. Here are the European breads. Some muffins. We had woodworking, artisan cheese and spreads. Aw, look at the doggy. Baked beans. Secret ingredient, maple syrup.
I forgot about that one. I totally forgot that was underneath there.
Cow fat, cheese, some tea, some jewelry and dog stuff, the biscuit jar, leashes, pup cups. Kettle corn. This is where we were the other day, the Magical Meat Boutique. Tiny greens, big flavor. The leash belts.
Now, we'd like to try our tea sauce and that's on the side.
Don't worry, be happy. Donuts. And here's the Thai food.
Like gravy and empanada.
Okay, I'm back where I started. This area here is Sunset Park. The Little Dutch Bakery. Whoa, I think I found where I'm going. Mild sausage lasagna, sweet sausage baked ziti, palm, eggplant marrow. And let's eat something good. This is it. Ferrara's, trusted over 75 years of making real Italian sausage and more. Okay. I found my spot. Have you ever tried curds, cheese curds?
I can't eat the cheese.
Oh, that's right.
But yeah, a lot of places will have them.
I saw some over there. I'm going to go look.
Pavilion over there every Saturday. All right. Nice stuff. Thank you.
Hi, I have never tried a cheese curd before.
Oh my. Well, if you grab yourself a, I'm afraid my machine doesn't work, but
That's fine. What's this?
this one's rosemary.
Okay.
Rosemary garlic with chives.
Okay.
This one's lemon dill, and that one is chili lime.
Oh, that's good.
So now you've tried.
I have. I'll try the lemon.
What curds are? It's baby cheese.
Oh, that's good.
Did you want to try some?
Yes, please.
I tried, we tried making curds before, and it didn't work out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's rosemary. We need a couple more of these. That'll do it.
Are they just like a snack that you eat?
Yeah. Or you can use it just like any cheese. You can cook with it.
Oh, okay. I'm going to
yeah.
try one more. I'm going to get this one here.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. I'll have to make that up for you.
Okay, take your time.
Only takes a couple minutes.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, this isn't quite enough. I have to throw some more in there. That's the chili lime. Okay.
You know what? Since that's mine, I'm going to try it just a
Oh.
plain one.
It's actually the chili lime.
Oh, okay.
Did you want this or the chili lime?
That one.
This. Okay. I have to set this aside. By all means. I'll do it the way I'm supposed to here. Measure it out first. Otherwise,
That's
I'm
fine.
going to end up short. I don't want to short you.
Tell me what you would cook with. How would you make that in something cooked?
Well, I've thrown them in chili. I've thrown them
Oh.
in soups. French onion soup, top it with some
Oh,
curds.
yeah.
And that's delicious. But mostly they're just for snacking.
Okay.
None of them ever make it to a recipe because they're gone, or at least in my house. Okay, I think I can fit a couple more in here.
I'm
A
gonna.
little olive oil to make the stuff stick. That's the chili part of it. Here's the lime.
And you're making the rosemary garlic? Is that the one you're making for me? I'll take both. Since you're.
You know what? I'll give you what you want. I'll just save this one.
Okay. Are you sure?
I just got excited. I'll make this one up into something. It must be the end of the day because I'm just suddenly it's catching up with me. Slinging curds all day. All right. Rosemary roasted garlic.
Yes.
That's what I intended to grab. But it's the same color as the other one.